This vehicle, with fewer than 20,000 miles on the odometer, is well equipped. This Chevrolet features power door locks, keyless entry, and a sunroof. Safety features include side airbags, traction control, and four-wheel ABS. Comfort and convenience features include heated seats, a CD player with MP3, and satellite radio. Give us a call to schedule your test drive today.
A GM certified used vehicle can deliver more satisfaction and certainty than any ordinary used vehicle. With our 117-point inspection, 2 great GM warranties, free vehicle history report, and more, you can expect it all from a GM certified used vehicle. GM certified means no worries.
This is a one-owner vehicle with a Carfax Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the Carfax buyback guarantee.
Just say, "Show me the Carfax" at Norfolk GM Auto Center, a Carfax Advantage dealer.